Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. O'Connor. Today is Monday, April 13th. I'm losing track of my days over here. Today we're going to be subtracting across zeros. This is where it gets a little tricky for us, but once we practice it a few times, you'll remember it. So this week we're going to subtract across zeros for 2 days. We're going to have word problem Wednesday, and then on Thursday and Friday we're just going to do some 3-digit subtraction review with everything we've learned last week and this week, okay? Those of you that celebrated Easter this past weekend, I hope you had a nice day yesterday. It was kind of warm out, so I was able to take a walk with my family, and we did eat some Polish food because I'm Polish, so we had pierogies and smoked sausage. It's called kielbasa. That's the Polish word for it. So maybe you had something special yesterday if you celebrate Easter. So hopefully it was a good day for you. But anyways, let's get into math and we'll get moving here, okay? So I'm going to do 900. Oh, my marker's fading a little here. Let me just grab a different marker. Fading out. 900 minus 614. Okay, so 900 minus 614. You can see that in our ones place and our tens place, there are zeros. Okay, so here's what we do. We follow the steps we normally follow, which is look at the ones. Okay, here's the ones. We have 0 and 4. Okay, we can still circle the bigger number. Circle the bigger number. There's more on the floor. Okay, go knock on your neighbor's door. Go next door and get 10 more. Oh, wait a minute. This isn't going to work. There's nothing there. 0 means nothing. Okay, so I can't go next door and get 10 more. So you know what I have to do? You know what this guy says? Hey, keep going. Here's his mouth. Keep going. Go next door even more and see if this number can help you. And guess what? It can. Sure, you can borrow some. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this 9. We had to go way next door here until we found a number that we could borrow from. Okay, because 0 and 0 is nothing. I can't take anything from nothing. So I went way next door and I took 100 and put it over here in my tens place. So the 9 became an 8 and this 0 became 10. Okay, now this 10 really is 10 groups of 10, which is really 100, just so you know, because it's in the tens place, okay? So now I'm back in my ones. I still haven't done the ones. So now I can start over. More on the floor. Go next door. Okay, now I can go next door. So I'm taking one of those 10 sticks and I'm bringing it over here. This 10 becomes a 9. So now I can do my problem. So that was just a little more moving of numbers than we're used to. Okay, so now I can do it. 10 take away 4 is 6. Okay, we're done with the ones. Now I look at the tens. Circle the bigger number. More on top, no need to stop. 9 take away 1. The number before 9 is 8. 8 take away 6 is 2. My answer is 286. Okay, so let's do one more today, and then tomorrow we will be able to practice more. Sorry, I dropped my marker. Okay, so this time, let's do 700. Oh, you know what? Let me leave more room up top for us. If you have a piece of paper, you can do this with me. 700 take away 526. Okay. 700 take away 526. So right away, oh, Charlie snuck in. Do you see him over there? Just so you know, he's still in his pajamas. And it's afternoon now. That's how our day is going over here. So he's trying to ask if he can eat candy too. Do you know how much candy he has eaten today? Eat the bunny and go downstairs so I can finish my video. Unwrap it first. Okay. Okay, so 700 minus 526. So I'm going to start in the ones, just like we always do. Look at the ones. Circle the bigger number. Okay, more on the floor. Let's take a walk next door. Knock on the door. It's a 0. It can't help me. So this guy says, oh no, you can't come over here. Keep going. So I have to bounce off of him and come way over to the 100 spot to get a number that can help me. The 7 can help me. It has enough to give. So I'm going to take 1 away from the 7. The 7 becomes a 6. And I move a group of 100 over there. Okay, so again, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is actually 10 sticks. Okay, so now I can start over and go back to the ones. And I can do more on the floor, go next door, take 10 more. What's really happening is I'm taking away a 10 stick, right? So that means that there's only 9 left there. Okay, so, and then I'm good to go. 10 take away 6. 10 take away 6 is 4. Now I can look at the 10s, circle the bigger number, more on top, no need to stop. 9 minus 2 is 7. 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, sometimes there might only be a 0 in the middle. We'll practice that tomorrow when we practice some more subtracting across zeros. Okay, I will see you guys tomorrow and have a good evening.